I quit my job to trade full time and it almost ruined my life. The story I'm about to tell you happened to me nearly a decade ago, and it was the lowest I had ever been in my life. Everybody wants to hear the success story. No one wants to talk about the part where you're sitting in your car in a parking lot, staring at your phone, wondering how you're going to pay your bills. That was me. And here's the thing, it wasn't because I didn't know how to trade. I actually had the skills. The problem was way deeper than that. I was using the stock market to prove something. Every single trade was either proof that I was smart or proof that I was a failure. And when you trade like that, when your entire identity and self worth is riding on whether a position goes green or red, you will lose. Not sometimes, every time. And it took me blowing up, breaking down, and honestly hitting one of the lowest points of my life before I figured out what was actually wrong. And when I finally let go of all of that, when I stopped trying to be right and just followed a system and treated every loss like a lesson instead of a personal attack, that's when everything changed. So if you're in that place right now where you know what to do, but you keep getting in your own way, stay with me on this one because what I'm about to tell you might save you years. For the longest time, I had the dream of trading full time. I was currently a truck driver and had been for 8 years at the time, and I was ready to live the life that trading would give me. I wanted the freedom. I didn't want to have to, be accountable to anyone. I didn't have to clock into work or manage people or do this. Like it was in my hands. My future was in my hands, and that's what I loved about trading. And so finally, we felt like God was telling us to do this. And we were like, okay, now's the time to do it. I just feel like the timing is right. So we quit our job and sold everything, moved to Utah, bought a house, and was like, hey, we are going to be millionaires in a month. God told us to do this. And it was the complete opposite at first. It was extremely, extremely hard. I remember this day waking up that morning like this was the happiest and most excited I've ever been waking up. Like the first day I was going to trade full time. And I get out of bed and I go and I'm at the computer and I'm clicking buttons and I think I walked out of there with like $150 profit or something like that day. And then the next day I lost some. And when the losses started to hit is when everything went wrong. I now not only had to make back that loss, but it's like I've got to make $5,000 in 3 weeks. I've got to pay my bills. Like I don't have anything else right now. And it was a pressure that I had never felt before. But on top of that, I was trading to prove something. I was trading to prove that I had any self worth. I was trading to prove that I was valuable. I was using trading as a measuring stick of like my self worth and how smart I was. The problem with that is when I'm right, it's great. When I'm wrong, the opposite was also true. It was evidence of how weak I was. It was evidence of how dumb I was. It was evidence of all of my shortcomings right in front of my face. And I couldn't handle that. I got it incredibly low. I started fighting it. I was like, no, no, like this, I am smart. I'm this, and I started doubling down on trades. My risk went out the window. I made every mistake in the book that you should not make. And my account just kept draining and draining, and it was draining fast. I ended up blowing up the entire first account. We then took out our life savings, put that into the trading account. I lost all of that. We went out and took out some loans and credit cards, and it was a cycle that continued for months until we literally had nothing left and we were in the hole extremely deep. At that point, I sat down and I had to finally just face the fact. I had to face the fact that what I was doing was not working. So one morning I was just connecting with God and reading scriptures, and this thought came. What if you knew everything that you wanted was guaranteed to happen? You just didn't know the time frame that it would come on or the journey that you would take to get there, but you knew it was guaranteed. How would you view differently the things you're going through right now? Because at that moment, like it was so finite. It was my definition. It was I'm dumb, I'm failing. Everyone told me I would fail, and I'm proving them right. We went from successful to in financial ruin. I don't know if I should file for bankruptcy. Like I'm about to lose the house. I have one credit card left paying our bills. Like I was just in a place where I couldn't sleep anymore. I was struggling. And that thought hit me. What if what you wanted was guaranteed to happen? How would you view things differently right now? And that light bulb just flipped. And I was like, well, this wouldn't be my end. Like, clearly there'd be a reason why I'm going through this. If what I wanted at the end of this was guaranteed, then this was happening for a reason. That thought was so powerful. That immediately changed my course. I literally felt God say, get up and go find a way. Like, this is not your end result. This is supposed to happen for a reason. Get up and learn. And it was right there in that moment that I learned one of the most important lessons I've ever learned in trading and in life. And it was that my self-worth and my identity were not tied to the result of one trade. If you can separate yourself from the results, you're going to get off of this emotional roller coaster that's only going to cause you to crash and burn. It's just a matter of time. You can ride that roller coaster of ups and downs for a year, for 10 years, for 2 weeks. It's going to crash eventually. You will get exhausted. You have to separate everything from your results. And you just have to simply stick to a system. I finally was seeing clear enough to realize what I was doing. And I sat down and I wrote out over the weekend a system. What do I need? How do I need to accomplish it? I need to make at least at that point like $1,000 or $1,500 a week to pay my bills and get back on track. And so I sat down. I was like, what system can I do? And I just started thinking clearly instead of being like, why is everything happening to me? This is not how it was supposed to be. I started shifting towards this is exactly what I'm supposed to go through to learn what I'm supposed to learn to become my very best self. There's a reason I'm going through this. That mental shift, again, it just opened my eyes to everything. And I stopped seeing problems as problems and started seeing problems as the pointing me right to the solution, right? My problems are my compass. Every problem can be solved. So sit down and solve your problems and you will get what you want. And that's exactly what I did. And so I sat down and I created a system that I had never seen anywhere else. It was with credit spreads. And by the way, I give away this system and strategy for free down below in the links. Click on that. I hope your life is blessed from it. It changed my life. Enjoy it. I wrote out that system, back traded it, spent the entire weekend creating it because I had to pay bills Friday. That Monday came, I implemented it, and it worked. And I started to finally get ahead, and I started to finally pay my bills. It was the biggest changing point in my life. And it's so funny because it had nothing to do with me learning a new strategy. It had nothing to do with me, all of a sudden figuring out how to trade. Like I knew all of those things. It had everything to do with my view of myself. My friends, the stock market is simply a mirror reflecting back at you your own weaknesses. And you can face that, and you can stand taller, and you can see that as a compass forward for you to improve yourself, or you can deny it. And you can say, no, I don't have these weaknesses. No, I am a winner. I am this. And in the meantime, you know deep down inside exactly who you are. Don't fight that because it will destroy you and your results. If you're playing the trading game to prove to others and to yourself that you're smart or that you're worth something, you will fail because trading is hard. The stock market doesn't care about you. It doesn't know who you are. It's not sitting out there trying to punish you. The stock market is going to expose every emotions that humans can feel. And you can either use that to be able to make money, understanding the emotions that people are going through at that time to say, hey, everybody's trapped, everyone's scared, everyone's this, people are predictable. When the building's on fire, what are they going to do? Everyone runs out the door. They leave the building. When there's emotions, people are predictable. And you can use that as a cheat code to make money in trading instead of using it as the punishing effect that everyone else uses it as. Because they use those emotions to run from their feelings, to run from who they need to be and where the direction that they need to go. Don't be like everyone else because everyone's losing. Instead, sit back and say, yes, you know what? I do need to be a more patient person. You know what? Yes, I did fail in this. And you know what? Failure is not an identity. Failure is an opportunity to learn. And if I can just learn this, I'm going to move forward. And that was my mindset going forward because I still had lots of hard days and hard months going forward in that early trading career. But every one of those moments turned into I'm learning something. I am now a better trader right now than I was yesterday when I lost because I now know something I didn't know yesterday. I can take this information, be better, and go forward with it. Change your perspective, my friends. Love yourself. And the markets, they'll reward you more than you could ever imagine. If you love yourself, you will clearly see what the markets are trying to do. You will dance with the markets and you will make money more than you could ever imagine. If you're fighting yourself and everything is happening to you instead of for you, you are always going to struggle. That moment, that lowest point in my life ended up being the greatest blessing I had ever gone through. And I wouldn't change it for anything because now not only do I have the life that I want, but I can turn around and have helped thousands and thousands of people get out of that hole and see success in trading and change their lives. Why? Because I walked that exact journey. If I didn't go through that and trading was just great and I just made $1 million in the first month, I would have zero experience to help someone else that's struggling. That wasn't the story of. And for 99% of the people out there, that's the story. It's crash and burn and crash and burn and crash and burn until they either give up or until they learn that one thing that I just told you here. Stand back up. Smile. Your future is guaranteed. What you want is guaranteed to happen. You just don't know the time frame and you don't know the route. But I can promise you this, it won't be a straight road there. It's not going to be the easy route. It is going to test you, but in the end, you will have the life that you want, but you will also be the person that's able to keep that life. You can get it. People get money all the time and they can't keep it. Why? Because they're not the person and version of themselves that can keep that money. God doesn't want to just bless you. He wants to bless you and have you keep it. What's the point of getting $10 million if you blow it and lose it all in 2 years? You want to be the person that uses money for good. Money simply magnifies who you already are. So the real question is, are you the person that's ready to receive the money? Or are you the person that just wants the life? Trust me, that was me. I wanted the freedom. I was tired of working. And I knew that the stock market could give me that faster than anything else. It's there. But until I personally was at a place to be able to receive it, until I personally was on a path learning and growing and loving myself instead of everything as a dagger, proving to myself just how dumb I am. When I finally got on that right path, that's when everything started to work and unfold in front of my eyes of like, oh, I get it. And I look back now and it all has a purpose. It never does in the present, my friends. It never makes sense in the now. But you will look back on this moment that you're in right now, this low point, this struggle. You will look back on this 5 years from now and say, hey, that was the turning point. As soon as you start realizing it's guaranteed to work, you just need to learn. What you're going through right now, there is a reason. And if you can learn why and love yourself through it and become a better person every day and be excited to learn, and failure is how you learn. If you can fail and smile and stand back up and keep going, you will get your life that you want from trading. I know it because that was my experience. I have helped thousands and thousands and thousands on this road. Let me help you. Click the links down below, grab the free stuff, learn a system, stick to that system, and most importantly, stop trying to prove your self-worth through the results in your trading. Follow the advice right there, and you will get different results in your trading. I love you guys. If you would like to learn more about trading in my system, you can check out this playlist right here to continue to watch and see my trades every single week. I post it live to be authentic and real. You'll see my good, my bad, my ugly. I show you week by week. Check out this playlist here, learn my system of what I'm doing, and see the results of it week by week. Hope this helped, my friends. Keep your head up, keep smiling, because this is the turning point to your dreams being fulfilled. See ya.